Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Ruthie. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made this crocheted hair on my very short hair. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let's get in with the video. So guys, what you see glittering is my hair treatment, my oil and so on. And this is the Bantu knot, the baby Bantu knot you make in order to achieve this crochet hairstyle. If your hair is as short as mine, even if it's a bit longer, this is how you actually do it. So I'm going to be using the peaches and cream yarn, my comb, my crochet needle or pin or whatever you call it, and this multi-expression hair I bought from AliExpress. So guys, how to achieve the curly ends I got, I had to divide this hair into 3 sections, and I actually cut the hair into 2 parts. So that's how you get this coily part. And this is how I went through the hair. Like, I started from the middle of the hair. When you make this baby Bantu knots, you make it tight so you'll be able to like pull or like just be able to pass the needle through the hair. If not, the hair is definitely going to pull. So guys, I'm going to be repeating the process again. So guys, right now you put it in between the baby Bantu knots you've done, in between it, then lock your pin and pull it through the Bantu knots. That's how you do it. You repeat the process. Right now I actually wanted a very short hair. I didn't want it to be so long, so that's why I had to pull through. And guys, you know, my hair is pretty short, but if you have a fuller hair than mine, or like at least it's longer than mine, I think it will be better. So that extra end you guys are seeing are the ones that are going to like make a closure. It will make it look rough down, and like they won't be able to see the baby Bantu knots that I made. They won't be able to see the knots downwards. So that's why this style is advisable for anybody doing it, especially when your hair is as short as mine. So guys, this is the same process I'm repeating all over again for the whole front, and just make sure you like pay attention if you really want to do it, and I am very sure you'd come out successful, because I was so tired of making wigs, or wearing wigs rather. I was so tired of wearing wigs, and I'm like, my hair is even holdable. Like, I can actually hold my hair to an extent when I make these knots. So I was like, let me just do it. And that's how I started doing the hair, and it started going through, and I was super excited. So guys, I don't get to wear a wig for as long as a week or 2, which is advisable. And I don't think if this hair can actually go longer than 2 weeks, but at least it's better than always having to get itchy heads and stuff like that, or like you're so hot and you just can't pull off the wig cap anywhere. So guys, the part I skipped was pretty thin, like it wasn't full enough for the crochet pin to pass through, so I had to skip it. And that's because by the time I'm done with the front and I do the other part, like everything is going to get closed, because the front and this other extra crochet hair coming out is going to act as a cover to that part. So that's why I left it. But if you have a hair there, like I don't have a hair there, but if you have a hair there, you just do yours or do your thing, and it's going to still come out nice. So guys, this particular technique for making a crochet hair on your short hair is applicable to anybody. You can make it on a baby's hair, on a child's hair, just for you to know how to hold it. Or if they are tender-headed, you could just keep the tightness a bit loose, okay? But this hair is particularly for everybody, kids, adults, babies, whoever you feel that wants to make their hair. You could just do this style for them, and it's definitely gonna come out nice. So guys, I'm going to be going to the back part of the hair, and guys, I wasn't using a mirror, I wasn't seeing nothing, I was just freestyling. And yeah, that was what I was doing. There was no mirror, it was just me and the camera. So guys, that's what you're seeing right now, and it's actually not different from the other part, that's the front part. It's not different, there's no special style of doing the back. But the funny thing was that I wasn't using the mirror, I was just doing it on my own. So if you're not fond of doing it, you could tell someone to help you fix it at the back, because it's, you know, it's pretty a new style. Like doing these knots and applying it at the back of your hair, you have to be really careful and patient. So I wasn't using a mirror, and if I had used the mirror, I think it would have been better than this. But yeah, that's just it. I wasn't using the mirror, but you could use the mirror, or you could do it if you can do this. So guys, this style is advisable for short hair. Do it for someone and watch how they'll kiss and love you for the rest of their life, because they don't get to wear wigs or do nothing with their hair. They just have to just do this knots, and that's it, off they go. So guys, I didn't install the crochet hair on every Bantu knot. No, I didn't. I installed them on most, but not every. You can actually do it that way, or if you want it to be very full, you can still install it on all. And another way of making your hair full with these knots is, like, you can apply 2 or 3 strands of the hair in the knots, and that's only applicable to people that their short hair is fuller or longer than mine. Yeah, but it's still short. So but people like me having my own kind of hair, no, you can't double it or triple it. No, it's just for people that have long hair. So guys, this hair lasted for 4 hours, and that's because I was eating. I was pressing my phone, I was making calls in between making of the hair. But I'm sure if you really want to concentrate in making the hair, it's going to only take you like 3 hours or 3 hours 30 minutes. That's when you get used to it. But since it's going to be your new or your first time, it might last you longer than me. But I don't know, guys, whatever that, you just have to be patient in doing everything though. Yes. So guys, imagine how full this hair is. I am loving it. When I pack it on a ponytail, it's still cute. When I drop it, it's still cute. Oh my god. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, whatever you want to ask me, you're free to ask me. I'm here for you. I love you all. Stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.